everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create tagged Keap contact and send WhatsApp for Formcan form submission. So let's suppose I'm running an online retail business and I'm collecting all my leads with the help of Formcan. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead, it should be automatically added as a contact in Keap, and then an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all these leads. So I can completely automate this process with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Formcan, Keap and AI Sensei. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take Formcan from where I will receive new form submission, and then in my action application I am going to take Keap, where the contact will be created as soon as the form submission will be made, and then AI Sensei, with the help of which I am going to send automated WhatsApp message. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Keap contact on Formcan form submission and send WhatsApp message. For this, we are going to create automation between Formcan, Keap and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'm going to click on the sign in, and here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to give the workflow a name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create Keap contact with tag on Formcan form submission and send WhatsApp message. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this all automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create Keap contact with tag on Formcan form submission and then send WhatsApp message, which means whenever I will receive new form submission in Formcan, a contact will be created in Keap, and then WhatsApp message will be sent to that contact. Which means whenever I will receive new form submission in Formcan, this complete workflow here will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to take Formcan. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take new submission, because whenever a new form submission will be made, this complete workflow here will get triggered. Now after selecting the trigger event, I have to click on this connect, and if you have an existing connection, you can click on the save. If you don't have any connection, you have to click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Formcan. Over here, I have already logged in my Formcan account, and it is advisable to keep your accounts logged in before making the connection with Pabbly Connect. So as I have already logged into my Formcan account, here I just need to give away some permissions, for which I need to click on this authorize, and then authorization successful. So Formcan is connected with Pabbly Connect, and from over here I need to select the form with the help of which I am going to take submission. So I just have this one form by the name lead form, and now to enter this, let me first show you the form in my Formcan. So here, this is my Formcan account, and this is the form by the name lead form. Let's open this. So my form has all these fields: first name, last name, email and mobile number. So going back to Pabbly Connect, I'll select my form as lead form, and then I have to click on the save and send test request. Now over here, as you can see, the simple response button is turned off, and I need the response which is simple and not advanced. For that, I have to turn on the simple response button, and then I'll go back to Formcan, and then I have to click on this publish. Over here I can see the link to the form which I have to copy and paste it in a new tab. And then I'm going to fill some details in this form. So this form has opened by the name lead form, and over here I'm going to enter all the dummy details in these fields. So let's say my first name is new, my last name is user, email address is new367@pabblytudes.com, and the mobile number is this. Now I have to submit this form, for which I need to click on the submit. And here I have successfully submitted the form. Now this detail should be added and received in my Pabbly Connect. And so to check this, let me take you to my Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received the response. The form was lead form. The first name was new, last name was user, email address was new367@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number was this. This means as we have received the response from Formcan in Pabbly Connect, the connection between Formcan and Pabbly Connect is successful, and whenever a new submission will be made, all the details will be received in my Pabbly Connect. Now whenever I receive a new submission in Formcan, I want to create this as contact in my Keap. So here in my next action application, I am going to take Keap. And then in my action event, I have to create a contact, for which I have to take the action event as create or update contact. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you simply have to click on the save. And if you don't have one, click on this add new connection, connect with Keap. And as I've already logged in my Keap account, here I have to choose the application that I would like to allow Pabbly Connect access to. So here I just have this one, and now I'm going to click on this allow. So authorization successful, Keap is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is email, and to enter this I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter details from my previous response. So I have received response from Formcan. So I will simply click on this email field, and as soon as I click on this field, I will be able to find this Formcan new submissions. So I will click on this, and as soon as I open this, I will be able to find all the responses that I have received from Formcan. So here I need to enter the email address. So I will enter the email address that I have received from this response. So here I have received new367@pabblytudes.com. Then email opt-in. So over here I just want to select this as no. Then in the lead source ID, as it is not a required field, I'm skipping this. Then how to check for duplicates, and then opt-in reason. So I'm skipping this as this is not a required field. Here I'm going to enter the first name, the last name, using the same process, mapping. So the first name was new, and then the last name was user. Then over here I'm skipping this job title. Then in the company ID I'm skipping this. Here I have not received any of these details, but if you have these in your form, you can enter following the same process. And then I have to enter the phone number. So I will follow the same process and enter the phone number that I have received in my previous response, which was this one. Now over here I have added all the details that I have received in my response. Here I am going to leave these fields blank because these are not required one or needed for me to create contact. So now over here mapping is important, so that every time we receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if we have received the new response. Over here if I manually enter any data, the field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to scroll down and click on the save and send test request. Now as soon as I click on the save and send test request, a contact should be created in Keap, and here as you can see I have received the response with the ID. Now I need to open my Keap and check whether this new user has been created there as a contact or not. So this is my Keap dashboard, and on the left hand side I can see this contacts option. So I will open this, And here I can see I have added this new user. Now let's open this. So I can see all the details. The first name was new, last name was user, company name I can see here. The phone number was this, and the email address was new367@pabblytudes.com. Now I want to tag this contact. So now to do that, I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I have created a contact. Now I want to tag this contact. So I'm going to add one more action step and then search for Keap. And then here in my action event, I'm going to select my action event as apply tag to contact. So whenever a contact will be created, this next action step will follow, which will apply tag to these contacts which are created. Now as I've already built the connection, I'm going to click on the save. So now I have to enter the contact ID and the tags ID. So here to enter this, I'm going to first turn on this mapping button, and as I click on this field, I will be able to find this response that I have received from Keap. So I will open this and enter my contact ID as this one. Now then I have to enter the tags ID. So to enter this, let me take you to my Keap account. So this is my Keap account, and on the left hand side I can see this contacts, and on the left hand side itself I can see this tags. So here to enter this tags ID, I have created a tag by the name Formcan, and I am going to search for that tag Formcan. And now after selecting the tag ID and the contact ID, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. So here I have received the response. The result is success. Now I need to open my Keap and check whether the contact with the tag has been created there or not. So over here I'll go back to contacts, and then I will open this new user, and then over here I can see that I have created a tag by the name Formcan, and this contact has been added in the same tag Formcan. Now moving on to the next step, whenever a contact is created, I want to send WhatsApp message, and to send the WhatsApp message I am going to use AI Sensei in my action step. And then in my action event, I am going to take send template message. Now I have to click on this connect, and if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then to make this connection we have to enter the API key. So to enter this, let me take you to my AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei account, and on the left hand side I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this manage button, and then on the left hand side itself I can see this API key. So here I am provided with my API key, and I have to copy this API key and paste this over here. Now I have to click on this save. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect are connected, and now I have to enter all these details. So first one is campaign name, and to enter this I have to take you to my AI Sensei account. So here this is my dashboard, and on the left hand side you can see this manage. So I will open this manage, and then I have to click on this all. And then over here I have created a template that I'll be sending to my customers. The template reads as hello demo. So this demo is a custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive new response with the new customer name. So this reads as hello demo. Thank you for signing up for our promotional offers. You are now on the list to receive exclusive deals and dates. As a special welcome gift, here's your discount code welcome10. You use it at checkout to enjoy 10% off your next purchase. If you have any questions, feel free to reply to this message. Happy shopping, best urban finds. So I'll be using this template, and I have created this simply by clicking on this new, and I have entered the template category. Then I have entered the name, then I have entered the format, and then I simply chose the template language. I have to create campaign for the same template because I have to enter the campaign name in my Pabbly Connect, and for that I have to click on this campaigns, and then I have to click on this launch, and after that I have to click on this API campaign. Here I have to enter my campaign name. So let's say I have entered the name as online shop, and then I have to enter the template. So the name of my template was online shop. Now as soon as I click on this set live, the campaign will be live. As you can see the template over here, this is the same template, but I have created a same campaign But I have created a same campaign by the name online shop, and here I am simply going to copy the name of the campaign and paste that in my Pabbly Connect. So now I have to enter the phone number, and to enter this I am again going to use mapping. So I have received response from Formcan, and I will enter the phone number that I have received, which was this one. Now I have to enter the username. So the username was new user, and then I'm skipping the source and tags because these are not required fields. And then I have to enter the template parameter. So it's written enter the template parameter values to be filled in the template message here. The parameters should be comma separated, example this. So here, as I just have one template parameter, which is the name of the customer, so I will enter the name of the customer using mapping. But if you have any other custom variable, you have to enter the value, then put space, and then enter the next value. Over here, as I just have the name of the customer, I will enter the name of the customer, and then I'm skipping this attributes URL file name as these are not required fields. Now as for now, I have entered a dummy phone number, and I have to show you the WhatsApp message that we will receive on WhatsApp. So to show you that, I have to enter my own WhatsApp number. So I'll enter my own numbers. So I'll enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message. Now after entering the phone number, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. So here I can see I have received the response. The result is true. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. So here I can see I have received the message. The custom variable has been replaced with the name of the customer. Hello new user, thank you for signing up for our promotional offers. You are now on the list to receive exclusive deals and updates. So this is the same template that we have created in AI Sensei. And now to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open our form again and fill some other details in that form. So here now I'm going to enter some other dummy details. So let's say my first name is latest, my last name is user, my email address is latest7493@pabblytudes.com, and my phone number is, and then I have to click on the submit. Now I have submitted a form. Now this should be created as a contact in Keap with the tag, and the WhatsApp message should be sent on my number. So let's check this. Here I have reached the contacts, and I'll refresh the page once. And I can see I have created this latest user as a contact. Here I can also see the tag that under which this has been created. The tag name was Formcan. Now we can also see the other details, like the name was latest user, phone number was this, email address was latest7493@pabblytudes.com. Now I need to check my WhatsApp. So here I can see I have received the message for this latest user also. The custom variable has been replaced with the name of the new user. Hello latest user, thank you for signing up for our promotional offers. You are on the list to receive exclusive deals and updates. So I have received the same message. Now to summarize, we took Formcan as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, selected a form and received the response, after which we took our action application as Keap where we wanted to create the contact. We entered all these values with the help of mapping. Then we want to tag this contact. For that we took Keap as our action application where we took action event as apply tag to contact, enter the contact ID and the tag's ID. Then I want to send WhatsApp message to all these contacts. So next I took WhatsApp by AI Sensei as my last action application where I made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the campaign name, the username, template parameter, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these messages being sent to the WhatsApp number of the customer. So we have successfully created automation between Formcan, Keap and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.